I think that's okay now, eh?
Oh.
But never drive like that, okay? You don't drive like that on the way. You're not the only road user.
Like I said, it was a mistake.
No. See, when you have a mistake today, mistake tomorrow, mistake the other day.
You know, women.
No, see, women, you're very careless when you drive.
Like we are thinking about our kids, we are thinking about our husband.
Hey.
Yeah.
So that's why you drive like that.
Yeah.
Hey, but next time you don't do like that.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
I promise.
Now,
Thank you.
what you're going to do? Did I give you a permit?
Yeah, you gave it back to me.
Okay,
please.
fine. Okay. You see those officers on the road, eh? At times they are also people, okay?
Yeah.
They get tired, they get annoyed. So when it's that on you, you don't behave like that.
All
okay?
right.
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
That's fine. You don't need my number.
Yeah, I need it.
You take my number. It's okay.
It will never happen again.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's what?
0772
772
44
44
444
444.
244.
Hey, Afande, those are it.
No, they are not. You try again and see.
You write
070.
You write it.
0702 44 444 424. That one. You call me, but you don't call at night. You see.
No, of course there are no cases at
Hey,
night.
see you people, you can call at night, then you make things difficult.
I know.
What about me? If I call, is there a problem?
No worries.
Me, I won't call you. You call me.
Okay,
that's why I'm not taking your number.
But I've sent you a WhatsApp message.
You have sent already?
Yeah.
That fast?
Yes. I'm an IT teacher, so I'm very fast with using the machines.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
This one ending 42.
Yes, please.
Okay, no problem, eh? But you drive well, eh?
Thank you. I will.
Yeah, you put on the belt, you take care, eh? You see that car, you can even get an accident and die.
The reason I swear last time I wasn't putting on my belt because I was expecting and it was already 8 months. So.
Hey, did you deliver?
Yeah.
Maybe what?
Twins.
Twins? Hey,
Yeah.
This one's a Narongo.
Okay, funny. Nice time.
Don't look to be a Narongo.
Really?
I used to think Narongo very big beanie with a very big buttocks. Those are the Narongo. Okay. This woman, she's jolly. Small but dangerous. Narongo, that one. I don't know that she's a Narongo. Yes, Afande. I'm at the station. Yes, Afande. Which one? No, that file I sent to court. It is Mudima. But Mudima went to court with it. Yes, Afande. That one, I don't know. I think, let me ask the traffic office. Musa said. Yes, Afande. Did you send that file to DPC? Yes. But they are asking for it. I sent yesterday. No, you check properly. Okay. Byakatonda. Arona ni byakatonda. Banange lo ntwalango muntu ndi muntu nani. Don't wewe, umala kansindikiriza. Wewe mzee chichi tabagani kuja. Hold on a second.
Unsindikiriza ndi muntu. Umala kansindikiriza.
What's your name?
Charles Kabogoza.
Kabogoza? Hey, Kopolo! Is this the man?
A man of what?
Kopolo!
Yes, sir.
This the one?
Yes, sir.
You man, we've been looking for you.
Nganga nkozechi.
Wakoze musango.
Musango chi?
You went? Nimukola robbery. Yes, you are driving a car. You went there properly. Nimugenda ku parking. Mugenda ku parking nemubaho pichipichi biri. Nyama ku pichipichi biri nemusa ku moka made muvuga. Nimuvuga moka ndana mugenda.
Ebyo mutebe
looking for you.
Nze sekwe kanga ko.
Where is your card?
Kopolo yabisigaza.
Yes, you are the one. You find us even here. We looking. Others we are munda. We are looking for you.
Kabogoza. Munonyeza
Charles Kabogoza.
You are the one.
Where? You
are
the one.
Nze sibamanyi.
You come and see. And the one here. You come. From the CCTV. We got it from the CCTV. CCTV, come on. You see? You are the one walking there. You see? In the white shirt. You see? You went inside. You see, you came like that. You picked. You see, you picked and went. You disappeared. Then up there, you see the other car. You see, whose head is that one? The white head. That one. That one coming down. Who's that one? You look properly here. You see, that one. Who's that one? Let me pause. You check. I've paused. Let me make it wider.
Linda kafana. Ivyungo bijawa.
From the CCTV swagulaba. Siegwe na sigwe. I just say siegwe or sigwe.
Kale yenze. Na ye kinja kityo kubamba.
Look at that white shirt. That one. From there, you see, you went that time. You came. Look. That one. You went out. You went out. Until the one. You remove the
before you remove
the shoes.
Linda ko.
You people, you think you've been here with the police.
Linda katugwa fat. Wait, Bob.
What was that?
Afana tosoka kungu nange nyoko yogera ko niloko yogera ko. Domalaga ntwalaga nyabocho.
Mwana kuba no disappear.
Area mwabi kwatirawa.
Camera.
Zililindawa.
Everywhere. Twina camera everywhere.
But Mwina camera.
This is the government.
Mwina camera buli wamu.
This is the government. This institution is strong. We have equipment.
Katinga mtu recordinga.
Hey.
Obuyinza mwabujewo. Obuyinza mwabujewo ku recordinga nga tabakirizza.
No, this is the stage.
Obuyinza mwabujewo ku recordinga nga tabakirizza. Olukusa walujewo. Nabagambye ko mu recordinge.
This camera is everywhere.
Institution obuyinza yabujewo obundi recordinga. Yamaze kufuna olukusa lwange. Mumalaga recordinga buzanyira emateeka temugamanyi. Temumanyi mateeka. Mumalaga recordinga mubuzanyira ku budembe lyaffe ery'abantu. Onzanyira kutwala mu kkooti.